Throughout history, technological advancements have profoundly shaped the development of cities. From the invention of the wheel to the rise of the internet, each innovation has left its mark on urban landscapes and the way we live. The steam engine enabled mass transportation, leading to the expansion of urban areas and the rise of suburbs. The telephone and electricity further connected people and businesses, concentrating activity within city limits. These advancements, while transformative, did not make cities obsolete. Instead, they led to their evolution. While the metaverse offers exciting possibilities for remote work and virtual experiences, it's unlikely to replace the fundamental role of cities in human society. Cities are more than just physical spaces. They are centers of culture, innovation, and social interaction. The metaverse, at least in its current form, cannot fully replicate these essential aspects of urban life. The metaverse is often portrayed as a futuristic digital realm that could potentially replace our physical world. While it offers immersive experiences and new ways to connect, it's crucial to remember that it's a virtual construct. Cities are built on a foundation of physical infrastructure, face-to-face interactions, and the shared experience of public spaces. These elements are deeply ingrained in our social fabric and contribute to our well-being. The metaverse, while capable of simulating some aspects of these experiences, cannot replace the feeling of walking down a bustling city street or the energy of a live concert. Moreover, the metaverse requires technology to access, and not everyone has equal access to high-speed internet or virtual reality headsets. This digital divide could exacerbate existing inequalities if the metaverse were to become a primary space for work, education, or social interaction. While the metaverse holds immense potential to enhance our lives, it's unlikely to replace the fundamental human need for physical presence and tangible experiences. Rather than replacing cities, the metaverse is more likely to augment and enhance our experiences within them. Imagine using augmented reality glasses to overlay digital information onto your physical surroundings. Walking down a city street, you could see historical facts about buildings, reviews of restaurants, or directions to your next destination. The metaverse could also enhance urban planning and design. Architects and city planners could use virtual models to simulate the impact of new developments, transportation systems, or public spaces. This could lead to more efficient, sustainable, and citizen-centric urban environments. Furthermore, the metaverse could create new opportunities for tourism and cultural experiences such as virtual tours of historical landmarks and museums. It's about blending the digital and physical worlds in a way that enhances our experience of urban environments. While the metaverse may not replace cities, it offers unique experiences that complement our physical lives. Imagine attending a virtual concert with friends from around the world, each of you represented by avatars dancing and interacting in a shared digital space. Or picture yourself exploring a digitally recreated ancient city, walking through the streets and interacting with historical figures. The metaverse opens up opportunities for education and training that would be impossible or impractical in the real world. Medical students could practice complex surgeries in a risk-free virtual environment. Aspiring astronauts could experience the challenges of space exploration without leaving Earth. The metaverse also has the potential to create new forms of art, entertainment, and social interaction. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative and engaging applications to emerge, enriching our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Section 5. The human element. Why cities thrive on social interaction. Cities are more than just concrete jungles. They are vibrant ecosystems teeming with human interaction. They are places where people from diverse backgrounds converge, connect, and collaborate. This constant exchange of ideas, perspectives, and experiences fuels innovation, creativity, and economic growth. The metaverse, while offering virtual spaces for interaction, cannot fully replicate the nuances of face-to-face communication. The subtle cues we pick up on in person, such as body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions, are crucial for building trust, empathy, and understanding. While the metaverse can connect us with people across the globe, it's important to remember the value of physical presence and the unique social dynamics that emerge from living in a shared urban environment. Section 6. The enduring power of place infrastructure, culture, and the heart of business. Cities are built on a foundation of physical infrastructure, transportation systems, communication networks, energy grids, and water supplies. These systems are essential for supporting large populations and facilitating economic activity. While the metaverse can connect us digitally, it cannot replace the physical infrastructure that underpins our cities. Moreover, cities are centers of culture and entertainment, home to museums, theaters, concert halls, sports stadiums, and a wide array of restaurants, bars, and nightlife venues. These cultural amenities attract residents and visitors alike, contributing to the vibrancy and economic vitality of cities. The metaverse can complement these cultural offerings with virtual experiences, but it cannot replace the unique atmosphere and energy of attending a live event or experiencing a city's cultural attractions firsthand. In essence, cities will remain essential hubs for business, culture, and social interaction. Section 7. The future is blended. Cities in the age of virtual and physical integration. The metaverse is not an either-or proposition for cities. We will see a blended reality where virtual and physical worlds coexist. Cities will remain hubs for business and culture while the metaverse offers new opportunities. Imagine attending a virtual meeting, then transitioning to a physical co-working space. This blended reality will require cities to adapt and evolve. We need robust digital infrastructure and flexible public spaces. The future of cities is about creating a hybrid environment that enhances our lives. Section 8. The metaverse's impact on work, remote opportunities, and urban challenges. The metaverse could significantly impact the future of work, especially in cities. Virtual reality offices and immersive tools may reduce the need for physical office spaces. This shift could ease pressure on urban transportation networks. It might lead to a decline in demand for city center office space. However, it could also reduce foot traffic for businesses relying on office workers. Cities must adapt by diversifying economies and reimagining central business districts. Embracing flexibility and innovation can create more resilient urban economies. Section 9. The digital divide and the metaverse. Bridging the gap for inclusive urban futures. While the metaverse holds immense potential, it's crucial to address the digital divide to ensure that everyone can benefit from these technological advancements. The digital divide refers to the gap between those who have access to technology and those who do not. This gap is often characterized by disparities in income, education, and geographic location. If the metaverse is to become an integral part of our lives, it's essential to bridge the digital divide and ensure that everyone has equitable access to the technology and skills needed to participate. This will require investments in affordable high-speed internet, digital literacy programs, and equitable access to devices such as virtual reality headsets and computers. Cities have a critical role to play in bridging the digital divide by investing in public Wi-Fi networks, establishing community technology centers, and partnering with schools and libraries to provide digital literacy training. Creating an inclusive metaverse is not just about providing access to technology, it's about ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to shape and benefit from this rapidly evolving digital landscape. Section 10. Sustainability in the metaverse and cities, a shared responsibility. As we embrace the potential of the metaverse, it's crucial to consider its environmental impact. The energy required to power data centers, manufacture devices, and support the growing demand for digital services is substantial and contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. However, the metaverse also presents opportunities for sustainability. Virtual meetings and conferences can reduce the need for business travel, lowering carbon emissions associated with transportation. Virtual simulations and modeling can help us design more energy-efficient buildings, transportation systems, and urban environments. Cities and the metaverse have a shared responsibility in promoting sustainability by implementing policies that encourage energy-efficient data centers, promote the use of renewable energy sources, and invest in sustainable transportation infrastructure. By working together, we can harness the power of technology to create a more sustainable future for both the physical and digital worlds. Section 11. Towards a hybrid future. Cities and the metaverse in symbiosis. The relationship between cities and the metaverse is not a zero-sum game. It's not about one replacing the other, but about finding ways for them to coexist, complement, and enhance each other. The future is likely to be hybrid. with a blend of physical and virtual experiences shaping how we live, work, and interact. Cities will continue to evolve, adapting to the rise of the metaverse and other technological advancements. By fostering collaboration and innovation, we can create a future where the metaverse and cities work in symbiosis, each leveraging their unique strengths to create a more equitable, sustainable, and enriching future for all.